Hey, Zach here. Today we're going to talk about duplicating in your network marketing team with sales funnels. This is a question that we get a lot. Can you actually duplicate with sales funnels? The answer is absolutely, positively yes. In fact, you can duplicate better, and I'm going to show you that and prove that to you right now. So let me pull up the whiteboard here and show you guys what's going on. Okay, so the very first thing that, of course, we need to do is we need to have a working system. Okay, now, if you haven't figured out what a working system looks like, go watch some other videos. I'm going to briefly give you a recap on this right now. All right, so let's say you have a system and you are running, these are ads, you're running ads or maybe influencer marketing. Again, I've explained all this in other videos, to a application funnel, right? So we have the opt-in here, we have the application here, and we have the closed here. All right. So you're getting all of your prospects every single day. You're getting let's say you're getting on the low end, so you're getting 100 leads a week, 100 front end leads a week. You're getting 10 front end or back end applicants a week, and let's say you're closing 3 people a week. All right. So you're recruiting 12 people a month. Personally, this is like, again, low-end stuff, and I've already gone over strategies on how we liquidate this, meaning how you pay for the ads. If you're saying, I don't know how to pay for these ads, I've already gone over all of this in previous videos. Bottom line is, you don't need any money to do this. If you have money, that's great. It does make things easier, but you don't need to start with money, okay? So I've already gone over all this. You can increase all of these numbers by a factor of probably 3 before you pretty much burn out. So you can probably get like 300 leads a week. You could do about 30 apps a week. You can recruit probably 9, maybe a little under that, maybe like 7 to 9 people a week. So that would be 7 times 4, like 28 to 30 people a month is usually where we see people max out. Reason being is not because you can't do more, but because you basically can't serve anyone in your team when you recruit more than that. But if you're recruiting 30 people personally a month, my guess is you're probably pretty happy. So most people float between like 10 and 30 people a month with this strategy on a personal recruit basis. Okay, so which freaking crushes, like, and this is ongoing, right? So this is not like you make a burst and you tap out your list, right? Or you go and hit, you're like slaving away all day on social media. No. You build a system, and this system continues to produce. So like today, like we're getting, I don't even know, right? We're getting hundreds or thousands of people going through our funnel every single day, and I take 0 time to do it, literally 0. I check the ads 1 or 2 times a week, depending on the week, 1 or 2 times a week. It's literally all that I do as far as this goes, and all I have to do is deal with the back-end applicants. That's literally it. So you don't have to like slave away doing this. Like I said, you don't have to sit around in Facebook groups all day stalking people on LinkedIn, all of that stuff. This is a reality. Okay, so you're doing this, right? Let's just say you're doing this. You're recruiting 10, 20, 30 people a month. Let's call it 15 people a month with this strategy. You're only talking to these applicants which are already interested people in your business. You don't have to convince them. They're already like half sold on your business. They're already sold on network marketing. They're already half sold on your business. All you have to do is talk to interested people and close them. I just want you to think for a second how much more enjoyable that is than like hunting down prospects, trying to convince them to care about their financial life. It's 10 million times more enjoyable. So this is what you're doing. Now you need to duplicate it. What do you do? All right, because this right here took you some effort to build, right? This is going to take you, I mean, if you have some great skills already in the online marketing space, you can do this within a week, and you can adjust it within a few weeks, all right, and get it going. If you have no skills, this is going to take you, this is probably going to take you a couple months, right, to first get it built. You can probably get it built in pretty quick. Then you get to adjust it, make it work, right? So it's going to take you some time to build. Now, if every single person has to do this to get results on your team, your team is going to duplicate so slow you could watch like a snail move faster than that. So that's going to take a long time. So what do you do? All right. Ultimately, you want people to get to this point. You want people to get to the point here that I'm talking about, because you want them to own the whole thing. Because now they own their own growth. They can really call their own shots, and you want that. All right, but what you do first is right here in this section or this section, you actually send these leads out to your team. So you have the skills. You're the one running the ads. You're the one that has the good funnel. All you do is you say, hey team, you want these leads? And you send them out to them. It's so freaking basic, it's mind-numbing. Let me tell you something. That when we started building online, the way that we would duplicate is by teaching this. So we would actually do this, get great results. Actually, even better results than this, because we even had the enrollment automated. We would get these results, and then to duplicate, we would actually have people do this again, right? So like we would actually teach them how to do this. So we teach them how to do this whole entire process, and what we found is some people would duplicate super fast, within a couple days, and most people would take quite a while. So we said, well, what if we just send people the leads? It seemed too basic, right? Too easy. That's exactly what makes this thing go freaking nuts. So you start sending the leads to your team, okay? All you do is this. Let's say you're spending, and I'm just using, you don't have to use these big of numbers, by the way. You can use way smaller numbers. Let's just say you're spending $1,000 a day on ads, all right? And there's 10 people that want leads. You just collect 10 people times $100 a day. So you just say, hey, for the week, each of you, give me $700, right? And if they have to do less, they do less, whatever. Each of you give me $700. It's easier when it's even. Each of you give me $700, and all I'll do is every 10th lead, you get it. So then you just send the lead out to person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can automate this as it gets bigger, by the way. But in the beginning, you just do it manually. In the beginning, we did it manually. Will this even work? I don't know. Let's try it. So that's what we did. We started sending it out, right? Boom, 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 boom. And then all you have to do is train them on the script. Hey, this is what has worked for us so far. Boom, here's your script. There you go. How much better is that than how network marketing duplicates now? Think about this for a second. Someone gets into your team now. What are they told? Hey, go make a list, right? Call them all. And pretty soon that list runs out. Whether or not they have success with that initial list or not is irrelevant. Almost everyone can't hit their goals based on that list alone. So what comes next? Well, go cold contacting, either in person, right, or online. Like go find prospects online. Go hunt down people in Facebook groups. Go find them on LinkedIn, all of this stuff. That's what we're teaching people. This is the business model. Keep in mind that we're competing against people that can sell on Amazon. We're competing against course sellers. We're competing against Shopify store owners because our people are getting hit with those ads every single day. That is a way sexier business model than stalking people on LinkedIn. I'm sorry. It just is, right? It just freaking is. We have to have something far better than that. So that's what we're telling people to do right now. What if someone gets in and you say, hey dude, I've got the lead gen covered. And it's not some bullcrap purchase leads from horsecrap.com. It's actual legit generated leads that are actually interested in my business. Hey, I got you covered. All you have to do is basically buy into the funnel. I'll give them to you at cost, right? Boom, buy into the funnel. I'll give you the leads. Follow the script. You never run out of prospects because I got you. How much better of an opportunity is that? 5 billion times better of an opportunity. That is way better. Now, does it take skills to learn how to close? Of course. Duh. But does it take even more skill and tenacity to learn how to go find a prospect in a Facebook group and then figure out how to befriend them, create a relationship, and close them? Yes, it does. It takes way more skill to do that than to have all the lead gen done for you and just learn a script. What you want to do next, once someone is making good money with this, then you teach them how to do it. Then you say, okay, now you learn this. Now I'll teach you the whole thing. This is for the leaders. Then they repeat the process. This is for the leaders. Let me repeat that. Can everyone do this? No. Not everyone can do it. I can build this out. I've seen it with my own 2 eyes. I think anyone can, but not everyone will. Just like traditional network marketing, if you want to be the speaker, if you want to be the speaker on stage, can everyone do that? No. It takes immense levels of skill to be the guy, to be the gal, to be the person that everyone calls, to be the person that's speaking on the stage. That's the same person that's going to build this whole funnel, that's going to build this whole system, all right? So you don't have to worry about that. The majority of your team is not people on the stage. The majority of your team is people off of the stage, the people on the team doing this part. Does this make sense? This is how you duplicate, and you go so much faster than old school. So much faster. It is mind-numbing. Guys, we have so much more demand, people trying to get into our business, than we can even handle sometimes. That's not a joke. That is a reality. I never thought that that would actually be a reality for us. I legit never thought that. I mean, that sounds crazy, right? But it's been a reality for the past like 6 months. It's crazy. This is how you do it, all right? All right, we're good for now. With that, if you found value in this video, do me a favor, go down below. I like to know if what I'm making is of value to you. So go down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment, right? Let me know what you learned. Let me know what you want to learn more of, and I can make videos of that. But I want to know if me taking the time to make these videos is helpful to you and of value to you. So with that, guys, we love you, appreciate you. It's 4th of July right now. I just want to say happy 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. I'm so glad to be here, and hopefully you are as well. So with that, guys, hope you have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you soon.